DWS na officer rokno logyo tiye bilakang amsani loko rokno kaham nongzani tini shaf khlairuna ni harmongo amse berene kam bisot polda borma fani talsani bisingo no amsani loko rokno tui tisha jangna ni shaf khlairu jangna hini shaka MD shot polda borma
tini jeng belakang kamyo faija which is around 25 km length ne odago on foot jeng faine nango minimum 2 hours Kanani through minimum 3.5 hours nangnai. As I said agiobo, chini am sayo tini problem belakin tongu. Atro mura bo kaisa. So tini nai lekha to engineer bo mang ni tongu. DWS Mongia block ni. Mongle SD Mongia SDU ni. Tabu ko to simi around 300 meter tolak ti tongu. Azan simi tikita sakawa thangi cheng mani yo tui from the 25 meters long nai first phase bora jaga filter khayan ni ko apni yaglo tola fiber khayan ni ko accordingly tini mo solar panel by fiber tis hosa nai tis hosai borok sakawa stock tene sakawa stock khayi borok all the household borok distribute khaine abongkha innovative as a project. How can complete the code because of many reasons, but bro, I'm assurance result within 1 month, within 1 month, bro, complete khaine. Kai to ne hamre betumo bro complete khai kan kai. Mo am se ni bro rock. Ti alai da mai apno at least ti kukre ti kaham bro man nai. And abuno chini aim and objective. Tini ang simia, including the entire DWS ni staff rock. Borbo belakino serious, belakino concerned. Borbo kaisa goal 2 in a 5 years ago. Otherwise, I don't think anyone do going to kimi other fight. So noted, note it has been noted. Ang next week no monoti salane concerned department by reason simani ulos and tamu claimant sing nine. Tumung electric department current rohani me yang guys alternative ni wali one suit nai solar order di mana was nai. In fact, ang already solar department boror bebe kok salaijar. Jaga current sogiya. They're very much willing to help. Boror very much reason bari watiat. Today we came here in Bilaikang Para, which is under Atromura VC. It is around 25 km from the main road, Asamagotla road. To reach here, we took minimum 2 hours on foot. Probably when we return, since it is hilly area, we may take even more than 3.5 hours. The roads are pathetic. There is no current, no water here. But the main reason why we came here is to give every household a clean drinking water. DWS engineers are also here with me. Their staff is also here with me. Around 300 meters, if I am not wrong, there is a water source there. From there, around 25 meters above, there is another source of water. So step by step, they will be collecting the water. From there, it will be pumped to the uppermost of this village through this solar panel, since there is no current here. And water will be distributed in all the households. Now I have discussed with the SDU, Mongia DWS. He assured us that within 1 month this will be completed. And by the grace of God, if we can complete this, I hope within 1 month or after 1 month, every household will have clean drinking water. This is our main aim and objective.